You have said that you've had trouble figuring out how to get to Microsoft Teams, so I'm going to give you a little video tutorial. So the first thing that I do is go to Knox County Schools for staff. If I can spell this morning. And then you want to find staff. And we want the links. Okay. If you can get to your email an easier way, then by all means, this is just a way that I know everybody can do it. So then I'm going to go here to the email, Office 365. Here's my email. There's a message from Bill. Hey, Bill. Then I'm going to go up here to the dots, and you will see in the apps, Teams. Once Teams opens up, hopefully you will see an invitation. You'll see something that looks like this. Probably you have your classes already loaded in here. My classes, they looked like this. Because our classes are now divided by grade level, they didn't really work because I have multiple grades in the same class. So I ended up scrapping those and making my own. The way you do that is just do join or create a team. And if you can put in the code that I gave you here. If you wanted to create a team for your kids, like if you wanted to use this to talk to them, you could do create a team, and then you can add their student ID number emails. So the S123456 at student.knoxschools.org. But hopefully, because I already added you, you're a member of this test ESL team. If you don't see this one, please email me and I will try to figure it out. So once you open this, and looks like Holly has already given us a reply. You'll see the survey that I sent out about when you can be there. So it may be asking you to sign into your Knox County address. That might be why Holly couldn't see it. So make sure you're signed into your Knox County address when you open this up and not your other any other Gmail. It needs to be your Knox County address. So if for some reason you're not signed in, you want to go and find Google and sign out and then sign back in using your Knox County credentials. So if you just want to especially do this part so I know when we can meet, that would be awesome. It looked, when I checked earlier, it looked like right now we are at Saturday being the most available for people. Looks like 100% of the people who answered so far said Saturday, although that doesn't include Holly that I just saw. I really like the way that Teams works because we can like talk to each other. Here I can make channels. So I also probably added you to a different team, this ESL team, which I also added Lisa to, so she's making that bigger. And I like put topics up so we could talk about different things. So this one I'm thinking is more of like a county-wide, and I'm also hoping to use it for Robin's baby shower. So when we are going to do a video call, I am going to go down here and push this camera button, and it should, like if you're logged in, your computer should tell you that you have a call from me, and you just say join call. It should be a loud ringing noise. But I do think you need to be logged in to your email account for it to work. I'm frustrated a little bit because I thought you could message from here, and that obviously didn't work because a bunch of you didn't get my email that I sent the first time. So that's a bummer, but everything else about this seems to be pretty self-explanatory. We can add files. I haven't really looked at this, but there's also like you can use Microsoft Word here if you don't have an account, or Excel. So yeah, it's pretty nifty. Let me know if you have questions. I hope I will see you guys soon.